Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear buddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Now blow out the candle, buddy.
Make a wish. Good job!
Was that fun?
What do you want, buddy?
He already got
get his
present.
birthday cake?
Oh.
This is sign on there.
What does it say? Happy birthday, buddy. Yeah.
Cheese.
Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Love you.
Love you.
It's your birthday? Yeah. Oil.
It's Halo, Daddy.
I know. Here, Mommy's getting it. Sit down.
Buddy,
Sit down.
smile.
That's from Great Grandma.
Yeah.
It's the new Halo.
Yeah.
See all the guys in there?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. We bought that game. Again.
Okay, let's see what else you got.
Halo. It's more Halo. Yeah, more Halo we got. Not Simba. It's not Halo.
No, it's not Simba. Who is that?
Not Scooby-Doo.
It's,
Oh,
who is it?
Scooby-Doo.
Yay!
Scooby-Doo! Where are you?
Yeah.
Hey, you like Scooby-Doo?
Yeah.
He's actually a pillow, too. Alright. Go ahead.
Pull it
Open
out. Pull out the paper.
Hold it up. Hold it up.
Pull it all out.
Pull, pull, pull. It's never ending. What's in there, huh?
No.
What's in there?
Right.
Come on. Pull it out. Pull it out.
So he just dumped it.
There you go. What's that?
It's not Halo.
It's a car.
No. What else is in there?
Transformers. What's in here?
Ooh. Open them up. Who's on there?
Who's that?
Scooby-Doo.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Yay.
It's a little big, but I figured you could wear it longer.
Open that thingy and that thingy.
Okay, here. Ooh, Mommy just ripped it.
Oh.
I knew Angelina would like that.
Yeah. See this blur here and there.
I told you that show my knee. I need that show my toes. Don't put it back, I told you.
What is it?
This is a shoe. Told you don't put this back again.
We told him we'd put it back.
That's what he's talking about. He was crying in the store because we took it away.
Oh.
Now he has both of those two on the side.
It's not Halo again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's an eel guy Halo.
With what? What does he got?
Thingy.
Open it. Open it all the way, buddy.
Yeah.
Another sword I
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's more adorable.
Mm-hmm. Don't break it.
And I break it our sword
Oh, we
like
know.
that.
I know.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you for Halo, guys.
Say it. Thank you to Grandma
That
Thank you,
was
Grandma.
and Great Grandma.
that thing was like $70 some. But we got it on sale.
Hey.